Anwar Shareef, working as a plastic surgeon in Palakkad district of Kerala. I came to know about this Elegance clinic under Ashutosh Shah from my seniors and colleagues, and I had recently attended the 3-day intensive training course from Hair Transplant here. It was a very wonderful course, and sir was very friendly, and the staff and the entire team was very friendly, and we had a good hands-on experience on hair transplant and all aspects of hair transplant, including pre-operative planning, then surgical steps and post-operative care, and all details were covered in very detail. So it was a wonderful experience here for this 3-day course, and I recommend this 3-day intensive training on hair transplant course to all plastic surgeons, newly coming up plastic surgeons. Thank you Ashutosh Sir and the Elegance team for the help they have given for me.